1997. Not quite sure how I got there, but here I am.
What's your name?
Gloria Moody,
Any middle name?
Hyacinth.
Which do you prefer, Gloria or Hyacinth?
I like Gloria. So it's,
You are
yes,
Gloria.
I live with Gloria.
You live with Gloria, okay. And when were you born?
April 1927.
You just celebrated your...
I just did.
Celebrated on
My 97th birthday.
You celebrated your 97th birthday.
Yes.
What is the secret of being 97 and looking as amazing as you do?
I think you just live one day at a time and do the best you can.
So you have...
Really enjoy living and live one day at a time. I was born in Port Antonio, loved Port Antonio, grew up in Port Antonio, went to the convent, the St. Anthony's Academy, to prep school and a little bit of high school. Enjoyed it. You know, it's a seaside town. And so we took boat rides from Port Antonio over to the island. And that was how you spent your weekends. It was a really nice place to grow up in. I came to Kingston when my dad came to Kingston to work, and I went to Immaculate Conception. I went first to St. George's Girls' School, and then to Immaculate Conception. And now I am one of the oldest old girls at Immaculate Conception. I have 3 daughters. Oh, I have five grandchildren, and I just started to get the great-grands. I really enjoyed my life. I was married at 19, had my first daughter, and that marriage ended in about 2 years. I was engaged for a little while to my second husband, and I was married again and had 2 more daughters.
So you were not, let's just say that you were a bit choosy.
Yes.
Very choosy.
Yes. Actually, after the first marriage, I was choosy because I was also looking for a father for my daughter from the first marriage.
Yes.
And I found him. He was an excellent father. He was her father. The mothers out there, I would tell you, try all the time with your father, with the fathers, of course, to get them the best education you can. Because you know, if you start them right by teaching them how important it is, they do it. They do it. You don't have any trouble. They just do it.
So education and then love.
Oh, love. Love is before the education.
Love,
Yes.
education.
Everything you do, you have to do with love for those children. And if they learn that that is important, you will find them loving other people.
And being kind.
Yes, and being kind. Those things are very important in any life.
To live a long and stylish life is to take one day at a time.
Yes,
You have seen a lot in your 97 years, I dare say.
yes.
How do you feel about living in Jamaica right now?
Oh, I wouldn't live anywhere else. Jamaica is a wonderful island. If you do the things you have to do, you have to get an education, and you go out there and get a job, and you get it and do it. As I was telling you, in my work life, people, Gloria and I, came and asked me to leave the National Hotel. So I think really in life, you must just do what you have to do, you know? And all of us are given a different purpose. And it's nice if you can find your niche and you work until you find it. One thing I think you have to live by all the time is to remember to be kind to other people, because it comes back to you one day. And it works. Believe me, it works.